Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you can easily add a professional size chart to your Wix store. It will help you reduce returns and boost sales. Provide clear stylish size chart that helps customers pick the right size confidently, keeping them on the product page with a pop-up display. We will use Boost Size Chart by Boost Apps from Wix App Market. You can find the link to the app in the description to this video. Let's look at the core features of the app. So the app has ready-made templates, and we can easily create such chart in a few clicks or start from scratch. It follows the best practices of big e-commerce brands, so we will have the button on the product page with pop-up where your customers can find all the details about sizes. Also, it has automatic unit conversion from inches to centimeters and fully responsive design. So you will need to press Add to Site button and follow the installation process. When it's done, you will see the widget from the app on your product page with sample data. And now you need to create your first own size chart. To do so, you can press Dashboard button above the widget or go directly to your store dashboard and in the Apps section found Boost Size Chart dashboard. Add Size Chart button. Application has a really intuitive interface, but I will show you the core features and settings. We can create a multiple size charts for multiple products. So we need the unique name for our size chart. It is only will be used for internal use. And now we can start from scratch. In this way we need to put in all data ourselves, but the app has multiple popular templates, so we can quick up such a process. Let's choose Women's Top template, and you can see that we have all the data, title, our table, also a great feature that we have an instruction for our customers how to measure and of course every brand is unique, and we can edit such information for our purposes. So just press here and you can put in your data. You can also delete or add more columns, rows, so set up sizes as you need. Another great feature of the app is auto conversion from centimeters to inches. In case you sell your goods worldwide, you may need to add this feature. So I will turn it on, and my data is in centimeters. So here is settings that my original values are centimeters, and app will automatically convert this data. On the right side we have a preview, so let me show how it works. Press Size Chart button, and here I have button centimeters and inches, and you can see that app automatically convert sizes. Great. And next step, we need to assign our size chart to all products, to specific products, or some categories. Let me show how to assign to specific products. So we press Select Products button and can choose products we want to assign our size chart. For example, this one, and press button Add. After it's done, don't forget to press Save and Activate button, so you will apply the changes. Now is the time to check in on our live website. Now I'm on the My Store's product page. I see the size chart button and it works perfectly. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please press like button for this video.